Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ty and I'm back with another video. Let me know if you guys like that new intro. Let me know down in the comments below. Do y'all like video or video? In this video I did a little makeup get ready with me. It's not really a tutorial because I didn't speak too much, but yeah, I did this little evening look. I'll do a close-up on the screen, like a picture of a close-up of my makeup, and I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see. I'm still trying to figure out how to work my camera. For some reason, is every time when I do a sit-down video, it's just like so blurry, and I do not like the blurry content. I'm still in the process of working that out, or getting a new camera, period, because I don't have time. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you enjoyed the video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell button right below so that you can always be notified each time when I post a video. Thank you, and I see you guys in my next video. Wait, no, that's not what I'm supposed to say. I'm just starting the video. What is my problem? We're almost at 400 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button below, as well as the bell button, so you can always be notified each time your girl posts a video on YouTube. So let's just hop right into this video. I like that one better. Doing the left side is so hard. last thing I need to do is put on some lip gloss. When I went to put on my hair, I realized my under eye was too light, and I need to get a new. I'm using currently the banana powder from Makeup Revolution, and it's not the best. But I think what really messed me up, I used a little bit, but really what really messed me up is because it was very wet. It wasn't like, you know, damp. So that's probably why it was so light. So what did I do? I went in off camera. I went in with the Bobbi Brown foundation again, my foundation brush. But this time I didn't put it directly onto the spot. I rubbed it in my hand so that when it picks it up, it's like a powder consistency and it's not wet, so it doesn't, like, I don't know how to explain it, but I just rubbed it on my hand so it's not wet, so when I put it on my face it will just blend easily. So it looks a lot more better because I can't really see on the camera how it looks like because I'm a little far away from the camera, but I did see when I went into the bathroom to fix my hair. So yeah, just want to put that disclaimer because I know in the video you're gonna see it white and then now it's not gonna be white anymore. But yeah, I put that on top. Throw all this gum because I'm chomping like a damn cow. If you guys like this makeup get ready with me, it wasn't really like a tutorial because I didn't show you how you do it certain ways, and plus I'm not a makeup artist nor a teacher, a makeup teacher, so I just watch a lot of YouTube, and that's how I learned to do makeup, is through watching YouTube and just seeing regular get ready with me's or tutorials. And I would use this look for like a night event, you know. It has like sparkles, but it's also like a smoky eye too. So that's kind of what I was going for. I don't really know what I was going for actually, so let me not lie. I just, you know, came up with this on the top of the dome, and you know, it kind of looks good. So I'm happy with the outcome, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below if you would like to see some more get ready with me's, or some makeup tutorials, or something with makeup, or something with hair. Let me know, or whatever else videos you guys would like to see from me. That will help me so much. Thank you so much. So far we're almost at 400 subscribers. We are at 938. I wish, but in due time. We're at 398 right now, and we're almost at 400. Two more people, two more subbies. So my limit is not 400, it's higher than 400, but you know, I want to celebrate each milestone on my channel. And yeah, so guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel and you got this far in the video, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button so you can be notified each time that I upload a video. I'm trying to stay consistent with my videos and my uploads, so you won't regret it. Just hit that bell button and you will be seeing some notifications from me this week. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.